News TV. First touch of the ball. First Valdez attacks.
Alam nyo na.
That's Shakey's. Ruby with that kick. Oh boy! And go on Facebook. Valdez.
Oh, beautiful play right for. Excellent digs.
Tinago na naman si Eliza.
Tama. So,
Ganda mag-iabot talaga ni Pantone. No?
oh, Eliza Valdez.
In the meantime, Valdez. It's not spoiled. Itataas ni Ruby De Leon. Pumunta tayo sa kabilang panig with Eliza's cut shot.
May konting hesitate. The ball in defense. And Eliza Valdez going.
LDT kung ngayon lang kayo bumuton sa GMA News TV. Nabutasan kayo ni Eliza. Halo. Ruby nakipagbakbakan. Itataas. Ipapalo!
Once again.
I think this will sail in for a change. The attack. Yes!
And Eliza Valdez.
And Meneses hooks it over. Meneses, of course, played or still plays for UST. Talking of UST.
Oh, iba na yung mga players ngayon. Ang lalaki. Eliza Valdez. That is...
Exchange of free balls.
Good
Papalo.
I was just going to say, good defense coming from both teams.
Babalik dun. Kasi alam na alam ni Ruby De Leon.
Papabalin.
Back row. Valdez.
Oh, dig.
Pick up that time by Gretzel Soltones. Valdez is coming. It's all alone. Parang malungkot siya dun. Ayan na si Eliza.
Oh, and Eliza Valdez